This next song, I'd like to, I think if my dancers are ready, our dancers, we take you on a journey to England, as they do for you, a song written by King Clark Kawa. The song is entitled Inihi Kahele. He writes this song for his wife, Queen Kapi'olani, and his sister, Princess Lili'uo Kalani. And in the song, he wishes them a very safe journey, telling them to be careful as you make your way to England for the Golden Jubilee celebration of Queen Victoria. Wishes them calm seas, gentle winds, but to remember to come home to Hawaii because you are the center of the kingdom. You are the people's choice, the people's center, the Piko of Hawaii. Song entitled Inihi Kahele.
One, two, three.
I think if they're ready, we're ready. Ladies and gentlemen, Loloko o Kalani. E ka moana nui kai hononu e lana mai e ko maupale e ka makani nui i kai ka e pā he a he maui he oe e ni ka he mai hopa mai pola leike ike a ka maka o ahi no maka Kawa highly responsible for the public performance of hula once again.
Be careful as you go. Inihi kahele.